Hi guys, this is Kate from EnglishAnywhere.de and the phrasal verb of the day is ended up. We use this when we want to jump over part of the story and just tell you how it ended. I was so busy all day, I ran around, I had to do some errands, I ended up falling asleep on the sofa. You should also note that when we use end up, the verb that comes afterwards always has the ing. I ended up falling asleep. I ended up moving across town. I ended up living in Germany. If you like these videos and want to join our online school, come visit us at EnglishAnywhere.de.teachable.com for access to all different kinds of video classes, crash courses, and worksheets.